guys, this is Suzanne with Sweet Tea and Whimsy. And I'm excited. Today is the debut video for this channel, Sweet Tea and Whimsy. And I'm excited to share with you what this channel is going to be about, and I hope that this will be the first of many more videos to come. Several weeks ago I started a blog spot called Sweet Tea and Whimsy, and on the blog spot I've highlighted a couple of recent projects that I've done, which are some of the photos that I will share with you today, and hopefully I can upload some videos that go along with some of these projects that you will see today. And if you will, in the comments below, share with me the things that interest you, the things that you would like to see on YouTube and on this channel, projects that you enjoy, things that interest you, so that hopefully in the future we can enjoy some of those same projects together. We live in South Alabama. I am a full-time working mom, and I have a wonderful husband, 4 children, a couple of cats, and a wonderful dog named Daisy. There are so many women on YouTube that have completely inspired me over the past several years. Some of them I have followed since their very first video, and some of them are friends today that we communicate over YouTube and through email. We live on completely different sides of the country and some on different sides of the world, but through this community of YouTube we've been able to become good friends, and I'm hoping that I can build a community on this channel and garner a whole new group of friends. In my spare time I like to thrift. I love to thrift. I love to take old things and make them new again, give them a new purpose. I love to DIY projects, arts and crafts, sewing projects, home decor, things like that that really can pull out the creativity inside me that I feel really doesn't exist. I have to work hard to pull that creativity out, but it's fun, it's relaxing, and it's enjoyable. If you'd like to, please reach out in the comments and let me know where you're from. Again, I'm from South Alabama, and I know that many of you are from all around the world. A comment below and share with me the names of some of your favorite YouTubers and some of your favorite channels. I definitely have some favorites, and I hope in the near future to share some of those with you. And hopefully those that you share with me, I will be able to reach out and view some of their videos as well and support their channels. This is a spring paper rosette wreath that one of my favorite YouTubers did on a recent YouTube video that she shared, and we'll be doing this together soon, and I will refer you to her YouTube channel then. One of my favorite projects is to add seasonal decoupage to dessert plates. They add so much to a table setting. This is absolutely one of my favorite recent DIY projects. DIY carrots made with old chair spindles and raffia. You will love this. They are adorable and fun to make. We will do a video soon. And of course, everyone loves farmhouse beads. We'll make those together later. And of course, who doesn't love thrift store finds? Recently, my husband trimmed back the vines from our Carolina jasmine, and I used the vines to make a wonderful wreath for inside. Recently, on a Friday afternoon, my husband and I put in bistro lights in the backyard patio space, and this has added so much comfort, relaxation, and ambience to our back patio space, and we have been enjoying many evenings under the bistro lights. And of course, who doesn't like to take old things and make them new again? On a recent blog spot, I shared what the meaning of honeysuckle means to me and how it goes all the way back to my childhood. And I shared how even today my husband honors that tradition with me. Hi guys, this is Suzanne. Hello. So yeah, we're a real simple family. We love each other. We support each other. We make fun of each other. We blah blah blah. I guess this is where I guess this is where the bloopers start. Anyway, gotta have a few bloopers. I love to craft, sew, and dibble and dabble and wibble wabble. I love to thrift. Hello. Like I mentioned earlier, I am from, hey, wait a minute, where am I from? What is it about hitting the record button that just makes you lose all train of thought? What's up with that? So in South Alabama, oh, another blooper! Daisy! Something creative strikes my mind, and then I will, hello, it's another blooper. Guys, this is Daisy. Well, hello, Daisy. Guys, this is Daisy. Daisy, tell them hello.